Finally, you achieve your goal of getting 9 wins. Medyo naging elusive siya for a while, but talk about finally claiming that goal.
Mindset lang namin going to the game was yun nga, get 9 wins. Prepare ourselves mentally and physically for the playoffs. The best way we can do that is to come off a win. So, binigay talaga namin yung kaya namin para ipanalo to. No? We did not consider this was going to be an easy game. So, ito maganda yung numbers na nakita ko. 42 assists, 43 fast break points. No? So, this is exactly what coaches dream of. No? Just the ball movement, no? The speed that we played with. Alam namin pag kalaban mo yung Titan, they play almost the same style as we do. They shoot a lot of threes. They run up and down the court. Makikisabay talaga sila sa amin. And sabi ko nga sa kanila doon sa meeting namin before the game yesterday, para tayong dalawang boksingero na standing toe-to-toe. Basta bigayan lang tayo kung sino matira, kung sino nakatayo at the end of the day, yun ang mananalo. So ganun talaga yung nangyari. You stand toe-to-toe with Titan and you give him what you got, they give us what they have. Kung sino yung nakatayo at the end of the day, siyang mananalo. So mabuti kami yung nakatayo.
Christian, congrats on the win and being the best player. 8 points ka nung third quarter and nakatulong ka dun sa pull-away. Ano bang ginawa mo dun sa third quarter na?
Wala naman ako ginawang special actually. We just run yung system namin, which yung run and ganga namin. So, luckily sa run namin, usually yung ginagawa namin kasi ngayon, nag-rim run kami mga bigs so that we get our guards open outside. At the same time, na-open sila, malibre sila. And they're, yung Titan nag-close out, so ma-open kami sa loob. So, ginawa lang namin yung system namin at yun nga, nagbunga na parati lang ako open. Yun lang.
Coach, waiting kayo your opponent. Mabibigat ang alaban nyo regardless sa matchup.
Yun naman talaga. No? Sabi ko nga, previously, when you get twice to beat, and yung mga nasa ibabang teams, pwede ring nasa itaas. No? Pwede mo nga baligtarin, sabi ko sa iyo, yung top 4, pwede mong ilagay sa ibaba. Yung nasa ibaba, ilagay mo sa top 4. Walang magugulat. No? So, it's really just like a lottery. Parang kami, maghihintay lang kami ng kung sino matatapat sa amin, pero wala na kaming control doon. No? So we just wait, and then as soon as we know kung sino, pag-aandaan namin.
I got you, DJ. This is about the game back. I think you guys still scored 43 fast break points. Do you feel like nakukuha nyo na ulit yung old pacing nyo nung naligo pa sila Messi?
Yes, we try to do that, pero depende rin yan sa kalaban kasi kung kunyari yung kalaban mo nag-i-slow down din ng laro, ito nakikipagsabayan talaga to. So you can play at your pace, pero there are other teams that will try to slow you down. No? Nangyayari din yun na we score below 100 points, and usually other teams try to bring us down or slow us down. Ang Titan naman, yun nga, makikipagsabayan talaga, kaya siguro ganito yung mga numero. No? But does not necessarily follow that we can do this to the other teams.
Coach, you have another breakout game from another rookie in Christian Mangay, coach. Just talk about how he fits in sa
gusto mo patakbuhin and parang seamless na seamless yung pagpasok ni Christian sa inyo?
Yeah, noon ko pa sinasabi na yung mga minutes ni Gabe Norwood na bakante niya mapupunta kay Christian. Up to now, actually, ano pa rin, no? Siguro we're still in the stage of experimentation. We're trying to rotate 3 guys dun sa posisyon niya. Nagpapalitan sila nila Kaylan, minsan sina Santi, no, at the small forward position. But sinamantala namin tong larong to, tsaka actually previous games, to give them extra minutes for their for 2 purposes. Una, yung kumpiyansa nila, yung feel nila sa laro. At the same time, na ipapahinga namin yung mga key players din namin, no? So at least na-accomplish namin yun, na isa-save namin yung key players from burnout. At the same time, itong mga presko pa na mga players namin, nagkaka-experience naman. So, yun yung purpose namin.
Thank you.